Hello, Convincers!
Hi.
Nandito kami ngayon ng pamangkin ko sa Japan at siya ay si...
Angela.
Okay, si Angela. I think si Angela nakita nyo na dati. I interviewed her for her scholarship sa Notre Dame University in the US. At nagbabakasyon siya ngayon dito sa Japan. So tanungin natin, bakit ka nagbakasyon dito?
Japan, I just wanted to try the food and I know a lot of the tourist sites here are very beautiful, so I wanted to visit and take pictures.
Okay. And paano mo napag-ipunan ito? Paano mo na-afford ito? Kasi isa sa mga tinuturo ko ay dapat kapag vacation, lalong-lalo na kung it's not really for rest, it's for something of a luxury. And you're a student, I think it's a luxury right now, no? So how are you able to afford this? Kasi ang rule ko, Angela, dapat galing sa passive income ang bakasyon na wants.
So this wasn't really passive income. I had a lot of gifts from my debut and I saved a lot of it. So it was all debut money that paid for my plane ticket. And then for the trips around here, that was my money. So I worked like all my semesters of college and I've just been using it, you know, for my expenses. And then this was one of the things I wanted to save for. So all this past semester, I worked 10 hours a week along with studying. And then that money was just for this trip specifically.
Wow, okay. So nakita nyo, pinag-ipunan niya, no? So I think that's the next best thing. So kung walang passive income, pwede naman na active income yung gamitin. Pero, bakit ako pumayag dito? Actually, sa totoo lang, malaking discussion to sa family. My sister was actually first hesitant, no? Na ipadala siya dito kasi sabi niya, sayang yung pera at ito hindi siya passive income. Pero, this is where I was saying na we have to strike a balance. I think there is much to be learned when you are young and you are only, how old are you now?
21.
You're only 21-year-old once, right? And I think when you experience other cultures and you get to travel when you're 21 years old, that would be a very, very good experience. And for my case, I was able to travel when I was also 21 years old, visiting 5 countries in Southeast Asia, plus Japan also, because nakakuha ako ng cultural exchange program with the national government, the National Youth Commission, and sponsored by the Japanese government. So in a sense, I'm lucky, no? So, yung sa kanya naman, sige, pinagbigyan natin siya, pero pinag-ipunan naman niya, pero sabi ko sa kanya, next time, kapag ganito na magbabakasyon na medyo luxurious, ay kailangan manggagaling sa passive income. Okay? And who are you going around with here?
I'm here with my classmates who are international students residing here, so I'm just visiting them for spring break.
Okay, that's I hope you were able to get some tips about how to finance your vacation. Another tip pa pala, baka makalimutan, no? Another tip that you should remember when financing for vacation, it should be equivalent to 1 month of your annual salary. Okay? Anything in excess of that is already luxurious, and that excess should be financed by passive income. So, ito na naman si Sir Vince dito sa Nagoya, nagsasabing ang pagyaman na pag-aaralan.